Hey guys, welcome back to another video.
Are you ready to travel with the freedom to discover and the confidence to explore? Trafalgar is the best way to travel and connect with the culture, people, and places.
Welcome back to another video, guys. I'm the security guard for Target. Today we're going to learn how to put these on people. Now these are high-proof security,
So people in the movie industry actually
high-pick security handcuffs.
Have the sugar like how we did and pretend that it's real glass.
And,
Alright guys, we have a special guest.
there's basic ways on how to put these on people.
Hi guys.
Sean is a professional sugar glass stain breaker.
I mean, you could do this.
Got this, guys. I'm just gonna come and drop it into half.
Just like movie stuff.
So,
Welcome to Ryan's Family Review. Hi everybody. I'm so excited.
how we're doing
Today
this?
we're gonna make stained sugar glass. So here's what you do. Okay, it's gonna be so exciting. All you need is 1 cup of water. We're gonna pour it into the pot. Oh, you guys know what I forgot?
Sorry about that. My duty belt broke, so I made me a new one.
We're doing a science experiment. You need to wear goggles. Next, you need half a cup of light syrup, like
And,
so.
I usually keep my handcuff keys right here because it fits in that spot.
Viscosity. Pretty thick.
And for some of you guys that know how to do stuff like this, you made the right example.
You don't want it too hot, and then when it's
Now these are peerless,
Agitate.
model
Agitate.
107.
There you go. Whoa, look at the sugar. Oh. Now I'm going to keep stirring until it boils. Okay?
So I'm going to show you guys how to do that today.
Okay, next you're going to need a candy thermometer. You're going to put it in. And that way you can check the temperature. And you're going to boil the solution until it reach around 290 or 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so
I
keep
mean,
it
that
going.
you could use it like that, but
Now, get a can
they
like
make you do it
so.
like that.
Get some
Because you know, sometimes you put handcuffs on in the wrong way, you're going to get all
You don't want the sugar to
messed
stick
up
to the
here.
pan. Okay, guys, so the temperature is at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. It is perfect. It's ready to go. Gotta hurry before it crystallizes, okay?
I mean, there's a certain way I put them on people.
Pour it into our pan. Okay, like so.
Just sorry, this is my dummy I made out of my fan.
Quick, you don't want the
Oh,
sugar to burn.
he's stupid and weird. Sorry about that language, he's not really stupid. But this is going to Dave Huffman and everybody else that knows about cops.
Yay, so it should look light like this. Okay, guys, so
This is
what
also
you want
going
do.
to a few
Leave it
cops
too
around
long,
the
the temperature
Pell
gets too
that
hard.
are crazy.
It's burnt like this.
I'm not meaning that in a good, bad way, I'm meaning that in a good way.
Once
But
this is done, pick up your favorite fruit coloring, and then just
you
start
could put them
putting
on like that,
yellow.
and it stays in that direction. It doesn't go loose.
Start spreading it. Green.
There is a certain way how you put handcuffs on.
Green is a really cool color.
By using your little grip,
Gotta hurry. Next, use that little spatula and then just start spreading it. Look at this.
and there is another way pinning handcuffs on a person.
Amazing. Look how
Like
fun
this.
is. Look at the pop of color. Whoa, look at this. This is amazingly fun. So colorful.
I mean, if you wanted to use handcuffs out of a way of getting, you know, like yourself getting stuck in them, that's not a good sign. You don't want to do that crap. Don't be like stupid people. Always have a key on you when you're carrying a bunch of handcuffs. Always use a key.
February 19th, 2013.
It's right here. So if you want to use that key, back in 2 years I never had any issues with handcuffs. But today that is going to make you guys change because I'll show you how to get in and out of them. But there's one rule about handcuffing techniques. You don't want to just like grab their wrist and handcuff them like that. You got to do it behind your back. I mean, if you wanted to use the handcuffs you got, that's fine with me. You guys can just comment down below what you think about this video. I don't care. As long as it's not a mean comment. But it would be nicer if you use nice words in my YouTube channel. Because, you know, that's kind of hurtful to others, including me. I have feelings too. Please don't put inappropriate comments on my thing. I saw one and it was like, I don't know what to say about this. But I'm not mad at you. I forgive you. It's okay. I'm pretty sure my grandma in there can hear me as well. My old grandma. She's in my...